Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is John ARDK. I am an augmented reality software developer. Now this video is my very first video. As you can see, I'm a bit shy and rusty because this is my first video or the first video that I'm showing my face. The purpose of this video is to introduce myself and also introduce what this channel is all about. Now, um, for since 2020, I began my journey in augmented reality, as building of AR apps and VR and other immersive technology. And what I've found out from my experience so far is that there's really no voice out there that is putting out content or putting out resources for people that want to come into the industry for the first time. It's almost like a barren ground out there where you are left on your own to fend for yourself or find whatever you can find. And such journey can be really, really difficult for beginners because there's nobody to guide them. Now, what this channel is trying to accomplish is that it is for those who are passionate in the future technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality, mixed reality, and immersive technology itself. Now, the goal of this channel is to see how I can bring to you on a regular basis trending news in XR and also put out tutorials out there so that those of you that are willing to learn can also learn. And I can also use this channel to introduce you to resources out there. You can ask me questions, I can answer if I can answer them, and if I can't answer them, I'll have to make research and get back to you. It's more like a community in a sense, whereby we can all come together under this umbrella, this channel, and then we can grow from here. So if you are interested in anything AR, anything VR, anything MR, which is mixed reality, this is the place for you. I have been lucky enough to create courses. Also, I've written some books, and I'm trying to write more and also create more tutorials and courses around augmented realities and mixed reality and other technologies under this particular tech field. The goal is to try and put out as much resources out there for those who are willing to learn and those who want to be part of this journey. It has not been easy for me since 2020 navigating this path, learning every day, discovering things and the rest of it. But I don't want others to go through the same direction, go through the same struggle. The good thing about becoming good at something is that you have learned what needs to be learned. You have gained the experience, and it is really wise of you to give back to the society or give to those or be of helping hands to those who were previously in your situation or who are currently in your previous situation, so that you can guide them and make their life much more easier. If someone like me had people who were ready enough to put out resources out there for beginners, the journey would have been much more easier. But unfortunately, they were little or none. So for someone like us that has gone deep, it is our duty to make others' life easier. So this channel is more, or this video is more like an introduction into what this channel will be all about. I'll try my best to be as consistent as possible, but life can happen. At least I want to start something that I want to see where it leads to. So what you're expecting now is that once there's any important information, news, trends, resources, materials, or whatever it may be, this channel is a place for you to come and get all that you need. And once in a while, we'll also drop tutorials on how to accomplish one or two things, how to solve a problem here, how to build this experience or these solutions, and also different tech platforms that one can learn how to build in terms of building with Unity, building with Xcode, even web ARs, location-based AR, and the different types of AR out there, and also VR and MR too. So, welcome to this channel once more. and I hope that I will see all of you back here, and this number we have now will keep on growing and growing. So thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to follow, turn on the notification bell so that you can receive updates whenever we drop one. Thank you very much. Bye.